Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the my canal. So today I'm here. I just did a makeup look tutorial on this look, and if you guys have not checked that video out, please go and check it out. I'll put a link below and I'll put that video right here. That video will be up very soon. So today I'm here to show you guys some of the few makeup products that I picked up before the holiday, some of the stuff that I give myself as a Christmas gift, as a New Year gift for the holiday. And if you guys know, I did a video of all my highlighters, and I told you guys I picked up two more highlighters that I wanted to give myself as a gift before the year ends, because I have been eyeing these highlighters for a very long time. As you guys know, I live in a really small village in Holland. I don't live in a city. I'm not a city girl, I'm a village girl. So I find it really difficult to go to the city to pick up makeup. So I'm more like the online store. I shop online with my makeup products, and sometimes I don't really buy makeup immediately that they come out, because maybe it's a little bit too expensive for me. I can't just afford it. I kind of wait a little bit till the price go down before I can get it if I really like it. So I have picked up some few makeup products and some few brushes, because I do have mixed brushes. I have some NYX brushes, I have some Real Technique makeup brushes, and I have some brushes that just drugstore, don't have any name, that I picked up from AliExpress or just from the local beauty store that doesn't really have a name. It's just normal brushes. So if you guys don't know, I have a very sensitive, I have allergic problem with my skin, so I decided also to pick up some really nice makeup brushes for myself. Just some nice brushes that are good quality, but at the same time they are natural brushes. It's natural, it's like it doesn't really break out my skin or give me a kind of allergic reaction, because sometimes these brushes we don't know exactly what some of them are made of, and I'm not the kind of person that sit down and do a whole lot of research. So I picked up few of the makeup brushes from this brand. I have looked on the internet and I have seen some quite good reviews on these brushes, and they're really good brushes. So I decided to pick few of these brushes. This is a set. These brushes were all on sales when I picked them up, okay? I don't know if I still have the bond or the receipt. Okay. Yes. They were all on sales when I picked these brushes up. So yeah, I pick up this set. Here you have like a blush brush. It's a set, and I really like the brushes. I just like the entire packaging. I pick up 4 sets of these brushes just because I want to like try them. And I also picked up this one. I just picked like a full face makeup brush, like the full face, something you can use for full face, that without not have to use another brand, but just use the same brand brush with just the entire face. So I pick up this one also. And here you also got some eye brushes, and you got some like foundation brushes, and you got some blush brushes, and you got some sponge, which I really like. You got 2 sponge. So I picked this one up, and I also pick this brush also. This is like their contour slash fan brush. I also picked this one up, which I really like as well. I really like this brush. And I also picked, last but not least, I also picked this eye brush. So I have quite some few brushes. Quite some few brushes that you can use for the eyes. You can use this one for the eyes. These are also like eye brushes, like for the eyes. You also have some few brushes here you can also use for the eyes, and you also do have some few brushes here you can also use for the eyes. You can use this for as a foundation, and you can use this for like a blush, contour. You know, you can just play with it. Though they are all instruction at the back that tells you how to use the brushes, what the brushes are for, what number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6 are for. But you can use it your own way. I don't really like to follow the instruction what is on the back. It's just I use the brushes and see what works for me. That's how I go with the brushes. But I've had some quite a good review on this brushes, so I decided to pick up all these sets, and they were all on sales when I picked them up. I had to pick all the sets. They were all on sales, and I really like them. I really like them. I will be back and to do like a full face makeup tutorial using only this brush. It's just to give you guys a first impression. This is just to show you guys what I give myself as a Christmas gift. So yeah, I really like them. And also I picked up some few of lipsticks that I picked up also. I don't know how much. Yeah, that was it. I picked up 5 lipstick that I picked up from the bougie shop as well. These are all Beauty Bakery and also some morphe lipsticks. I picked this up. They were on sales for €2 and some cents. They were on sales for €2 and some cents, so I decided to pick them up. And I really like them. I'll leave all the names of the product that I picked up in the description box, so please check it out. I picked this up. This is like my first morphe lipsticks, I guess. Yeah, these are my first morphe lipstick, and these are like, I picked them up for like 2-3 euros because yeah, they were on sale, so I picked them up. And I also pick up this Beauty Bakery lipsticks, and I really like. Some of them are metallic. Yeah, I think they're all metallic, like this really nice blue. These were also on sales. Normally they cost like 18 euros, 19 euros for just this lipstick, but I was like, I'm not gonna pick them. I don't really necessarily need it because I do have some few lipstick that I like, but it was on sale for like 2-3 euros, and I decided, you know what, just pick it up and just give it a try, because I've seen a lot of people said a lot of good things about this Beauty Bakery lipstick, that when you apply them it stays forever, it doesn't move. So I decided to pick it up. And I also have this color that I picked up. If you guys want me to do like a swatch on this lipsticks that I picked up, just leave a comment below. Yeah, and I'll show you guys how they look on me. So I picked up 3 of this Beauty Bakery lipstick. Maybe I will come and do a swatch for you guys and show you how they look on me. And this is the morphe lipstick. These are the 2 colors that I picked up, which I really like. I've not used it yet, but I kind of like the color. You see, it's very beautiful. Looks really nice, and it was on sale. And I'm like, you know what, just give myself something for the Christmas. There's nothing wrong with giving yourself a little present. So I decided to pick them up. Pick this lipsticks up. And I also have this beautiful purple color. If you guys want some swatches, leave a comment below. I'll come and do for you guys swatches, but I only have like 5, so yeah. And next, the least but not the last, I picked up 2 highlighters. Yes, I picked up this MAC highlighter. This is my first MAC highlighter, and I really like it. This is the Hello Darling, or I don't know, Hello Darling or Oh Darling. I picked this up. I really like this highlighters. I've seen a lot of great reviews on YouTube, and I really like this. So, and then I picked up this Ofra cosmetic highlights. As you guys know, I love Ofra cosmetic highlighters. The highlighters are very beautiful. I just like the pigment, so I decided to pick this up. This is like the one that Nikkietutorials comes out with. Nikkietutorials and Ofra cosmetic collabs that they come out with. This is like Blind the Haters, and I really like it. It is super pigment. If you guys don't know Nikkietutorials, she's a Dutch girl, but she's a Dutch girl, and she do YouTube videos. She's very popular, very big on the social media. You guys will definitely know her, and this is one of her collection that she came out with Ofra cosmetic. And so I decided to pick this up. I picked this up. Normally it retails for like 30 euros. I picked this up on the bougie shop for 19 euros. It was on sale. So I decided, you know what? I love Ofra cosmetic highlighters. So I decided to give this one a try. And the color is beautiful. So I will come and do like a swatch for you guys, or demo, to see how it looks on my skin. So I picked this up, and it was like 19 euros, so I was like, why not? And then I picked up this MAC highlighter. This is my first MAC highlighter, and I am loving this highlighter as well. You guys can see. So yeah, this is the highlighters. I really like all this product that I've picked, and I can't wait to come and do a review slash demo for you guys, especially on these brushes, because I'm kind of excited to try all these brushes. So I really like them. And I also pick up a new product which I am about to come and show you guys also. This is something that I have not even used yet. I picked it up and I just have it laying down in the house. I haven't even opened it. Where is this foundation? Where is this? Okay, maybe I misplaced it. I can't find it. I can't find it. I picked up this morphe eyeshadow palette also, which I also really like. I've actually shown you guys on my page. I'll put a link here or there. I've also picked that up, but I've not used it yet, so I'll be back also with that palette to do like a tutorial for you guys on how those palette looks like. But this is everything I picked up, and I'm really excited to come and try them out just to see how it looks. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook and on my Instagram. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. And if you guys have any question, leave a comment below. I don't really go to the city a lot to get makeup, so I get all my makeup online, and I order most of my stuff from the bougie shop, and they are always having sales, and they don't have a lot of brand on the bougie shop. But yeah, they have some quite few brands. It's not a lot like in the States that you guys have a whole lot of brand. The brand that I'm more excited for, I hope the bougie shop will have this one day, is the ColourPop. I hope one day that they will have a ColourPop makeup product on their site, and yeah, I hope one day they will have it, because I really want to try those products, but they don't have it. So yeah, that's it. That's all I picked up, and I hope you guys like this video. Hope to see you guys very soon. This is getting me. Bye. Doeg.